the most highly populated in the region. I should tell you something.
And one of the highly sought for.
What I say? Enti Nana Addo se Kwame ye nam region nim de. And I me Adam for NDC ni be consultant on run training programs you know na bia na kontakwa 2024 sa last year e na onya adwuma kakra be obaye na region nim. Na obaye na se so kokumawu. E so akofija asene nsuta. Okoma mpone ade a okọ ne nam saa mpotem ho kakra be kwan aye ono ba mo me enka no kre. Na ze akufo na Ashanti region wa ye bia mamu. On one side of a region, no me come
you come and point and provisions they find them so and next Saturday you can say from main road now and no baby a year or ho next man into yankofa a dropping and also na quite down so for dropping and that one cross nim sakwano and a fire dropping a fire fair near Drachia. You who as a hanging suit. What did I say? No, say hanging suit. Hey, now we are quite.
Say, man, you are any enemy near you. Say, mamma, dear, any bonnet for me. Teresa, very, very sad. I'm not doing. No penny be no what to say. I was for moment I'm a car by the bag and same TV so one more so like a video. I'll subscribe to the channel and I'll tell you notification. So the moon and from Mr. President. Two from Mr. President Simon and the gentleman is actually a man. I said, Libya or the neighbors. Now you can't you should see money me from Kwame Adinkra. Kwame a former singer, a well-known philanthropist. Currently, he's a journalist, and then one thing I hear they kind of say, Kwame Adinkra PhD in visual communication. Now, our body run another done for an abaso. Asantemai, afraid Asantemai, a kaidi and Kufan, era another go for the buying him. Now, make us a baby, Mamma could have video. I'm going to buy a celebrity. That's what I'm looking. I am a dead Santa Maya Freedom Moment say, hey, on search by order. It sounds like so search by order. It sounds like when you run another go for the Yama Santa Maya Packet. Now, I sign politics and trunkets and kete and ye yanny and Ibrahim or Yanni whom your manoma be bracing. Here and main this for the 2 grass and if any be brains as and for Congo. By any mom to jaso, mom to jabbing, mom to mampon, mom to her, mom to her. Ye, Nana Addo don't cook for Rubu in my job. Now, Kwame Adinkra be dinner not done cook for one dances. I do show boy. We are Santi and a Santana and Kaisa brain. A Santiphone or more boom, more booms. I have fin another papa. A Santiphone so such a bell that is on his head. To my feel and another communion, some medians to be on Yasanti, said in all. We must see and read the near Yama Santamine. Nimum dear Yama Santamine, I feel as Santamine will say, no mood, no more so. A year composing the year and another John Dramani Mahama and Bossa was some more money in a year crossing in there. I mean, Chuck, me could read it now. You hear praises out. A year Kwame Adinkra, the legendary journalist, the legendary philanthropist. The legendary singer, the legendary Kwame Adinkra, PhD. Akafana Addo.
Genuine dear, a quina Dawson. I know dear, Nana Addo Danko Kufuado Mambo. I know she am a Santimano.
But I like the way Nano o capture say political rules.
Yes,
I like the way
I know we were not political enough.
Yeah.
What I say, how there mistakes in Nana no Kwame. Are there any penny who no anya no na kwede de shedema. The twemo beden no hu de shede. Enti no de. They na dan krofo akoma so pa umpeso mu hu no de mistake. And I think say Domahama me ade ba kwa me catch MPP for say NDC we ne power 2024 be me ya because onye hwe so edi pa mo ne so bo. What I say oba ya Ashanti region kwa do say dey come asem.
Say a year see ukwa year na so kuna nini isu a Osuchire ne sebio.
Na ne da ni. Gotcha say. No, my point to cry say Mahama buy na Ashanti region kwan nya pa nkebeka.
Yeah.
But buy and ya do draw to the sense will be any problem on.
Okay.
And one who class on why. So school ni esi atia mass for better na Kwame.
Yeah.
Nana Addo de double tracking kwa ba intino. Ya momo classroom abrosa ba kwa 24 unit classroom. 24 na te say Mahama day school no a osisi the number of classrooms e wo.
Okay.
You be say momo 12 unit classroom block bill. Yes, dormitory ema TI mass. Toilet facility be ba na modern one am say momo miru. And ema ye no TI mass no te say dey aye wo.
University
School yes here da bi.
KSTS.
Yes. E si Mahama school no be miensa. Enti obi betra ha na mo school da.
KSTS so
yes. Kwame wura school nim. Anto tia wonim.
Onse
Kwame dey wura mu keke kwasra wo mo. Na bu so mo say mo infrastructure mo ncho na ni so. School no si aza no asase no mu nie. Enti na compact no ho.
Yeah.
Enti na ma hu say ya adwuma wo school mpa.
I see.
Enti do ba bi honorable seka I heard him one day no make case say mo ya Akufo Addo mo ba me constituency school ba akopɛ me de ka asema. And that school no nim say Ashanti na population does me nim say
yeah.
Dining tia. Well, who's the school is near Kacho says the most highly populated in the region. I should tell you something.
And one of the highly sought for.
What I say, enti Nana Addo se Kwame ye nam region nim de. And me Adam for NDC ni be consultant on run training programs you know na bia no ma kontakwa 2024 sa last year and onya adwuma kakra be obaye na region nim. No ba ye nese so kokumawu ezo akofija asini nsuta okoma mpone ade a okone nam saa mpotem ho kakra bi kwan aye ono ba mo me nka no kre eze Akufo Addo na Ashanti region wa ye bi amamu on one side of a region no
no me come you come ampoin and provisions they find them so and Saturday you can say from main road now and no bebre aye wo ho ni sadema no enti yankofa jobbing no so na kwan down sa no so yanfa jobbing and na driver no cross onim sa kwan no and na fa jobbing e fire fear ni edu atwa you hu as ahanyin suta
mo jiran suta
no say ahanyin suta no say na be no mo ya ha kwan fefefe no say
na ko fa jobbing na onim na gisem no say o ka so ko jobbing na o kra de o twa mo ko fa do so
knowledge that illegal mining, widely known as Galamsey, involves individuals across political and traditional structures, warning that the fight against the menace will be difficult but must continue. He made the remarks during a meeting with the organized labor at the Jubilee House in Accra on Tuesday, the 17th of March. The president said illegal mining had deeply infiltrated the Ghanaian society, cutting across political parties and local leadership, making efforts to combat it more complex. And this is in quotation. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say, it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved a cycle of traditional rulers, political party appointees, and everything. Now, he noted that operators often shift allegiance when government change, allowing the practice to persist. Even when one party changes, those who are running some operations who went to one party will go to the next party and say, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share. We too will be getting something small. This is what we are doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. All right. Now, me imagine not pay. Me just
I'm fast be drew her. To America sa. Entina ama Nana Addo dan Akufo Addo ye ya pese yi na ye no. Ye nante region nim ne de Kwame. Wo ba be dru Kumasi a wo be hu se Kumasi kwan ba akom ye no bi ane ye ne da so ye ntumi anye. Na emum se wo se wo travel around Ashanti region na nim krom ha Kwame. Ekwan bone pa wo mfa bi so. This is
Susuma and Quantana. Susum and a Susuma de Cradam. Susuma de Cradam. I see resource of a pambo. I see the master of Susuma de Cradam. Waku? No, they a open TV. Yeah, a chrono. Obi a never be you. Baba, I couldn't see the young one. enema mmienu ba ko so de nye no a enema mmienu ni say ida say o ma hyere so mu wi ayen ade sa so mu ye jimifo ba jimifo so de nye o mu nye jimifo e kro no kwaku se sentra kwaku ansa na maame oba ebefa ne ntoma se wo koton no kokura na ho akiri na broso
ntina penifo se obi nton na kokko bedi ekwa
wati ase
nti obi koton na kokko bedi a na se ato apintin
ba to le bi go pa memma bu de mo fa nche ba to bi na memma ye reckless obi tenga bebe bi o wa koton na na yike ko no de woda ko bibi obi ko akoton na kokko bedi no woda ko bibi but ansa na wo ba pa be ka se ne ntoma ehedem ana se chancy obi friend say be chancy
yeah obi sending me message or say Adinkra means warehouse into your farm boy ma share sunsun warehouse sunsun warehouse
eti asa na oba ebeka say wo yi de ntoma akoton ana say na Abidjan chancy wafa akoton wo abonten kwaku na ho akye na broso
yeah
etore bia ne ba ne babi ko school ne babi ko suadwuma ne babi tu kwan bi ya ehu behia batwa ya wo nya bisa bommo wo sa de ne mo ntwe bi odem Holland yi wa akoyi bi akoton saga na we japade se gold na yetimi ko yi gold no more than half akoton abrakwaku na yenu debt obligation be no na adura ya nkoton gold na nkotiaka ya be go through sciences bi
dabi sabre na soso no na samijanfi any gold board for ni akoton gold at $10 billion abegu economy nim etina Ghana ye ho kire ye forest ho
dabi etina ye de be pa anti ene ye to ade wa ko me try yi bi wa say I thought I publish it. Me back to me saying some key questions and answers. Why was it necessary to sell the gold? Was it for short-term liquidity needs or to address debt obligations? Who bought the gold? Why buy gold 4 months after selling? And then where is the Bank of Ghana going to buy the gold? And yet then you tell me more than 18 tons of gold. Now 4 months later, yes, I said yes, I could gold no for Ababigum. Now I could 18 tons now a ton, you know. Make calculation you were saying 18.6 tons now a ton, you know. You ton $2.2 billion.
2.22 billion.
Yes, $2.22 billion. You can see a cotton gold in the same quantity, 18.6 tons now. You better no at $3.49 billion. But the bed yay. Now you say here more than $1 billion business and the jack was
here about 1.3 billion.
1.3 billion, yes. And the jack was so. And said the track or toy and Japan I told 4 months ago. What could doesn't make sense to you?
It doesn't make sense.
And you never be no. And I'm a suspect. But I don't want to believe that. Say I got Kronoma, not a Jimmy, but a Jimmy na a Krono. Right anywhere I know. This is the typical definition of operation recover all loot. And they have looted us. I'm not loot to a minor. Now what I say, Bank Square. Nebo adding. Who the one I will share as Nebo Addo. It's your bar, your budget is carrying now. Now, more just carrying now, more minor. Mbobu Daneguana. Yentini. Kwaku, at some way home. Ehu. Na miye mashimo sunsumu warehouse. Miye mashimi. I was sunsumu kwantanai so. adeɛ nsan ɛna President Mahama wɔde awie adane ɛyɛ fɛ de sɛ anadwi ama yɛwu baabi yɛn fɛ and obiara yɛ din wɔ ho yɛn kasa wɔ ho ehu kwaku mesin President Mahama the vote